Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find AirTag serial number without iPhone. So, if you want to check your Apple AirTag serial number without using your iPhone, then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The fastest way you can use to check or find your AirTag serial number is using Find My on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and your AirTag is connected to your iPhone, you can just easily use Find My to check the AirTag serial number. But in this case, we don't want to use our iPhone, so let's go ahead and do this. The only way you can use to check your AirTag serial number without your iPhone is by removing the AirTag battery. So if you remove the AirTag battery, you'll be able to have access to the serial number. Mark you, removing the AirTag battery may reset the AirTag and prompt you to reconnect the AirTag to your Apple ID again. And in this case, you may be facing with activation lock if you do not know your Apple ID login details. So let's go ahead and check this serial number. Just press on the Apple logo and then unlock the battery cover like this. Remove the battery. And then right on the battery where you see this battery connector, there is a serial number there. So here, you can just go ahead, write whatever number you have here as your AirTag serial number. So that's basically how to find AirTag serial number without your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.